I have many datasets in Soda, but I would like to have a way to know which of these datasets are AI ready. And depending on who you're talking to, AI ready can mean many different things. But for me, I'll define it for this demo that an AI ready dataset is one that looks like this one. Basically, all checks are passed and it has no anomalies. So I think I can use the new Soda MCP and Claude to identify the AI ready datasets. Let's go to Claude and let's create an attribute that is called AI ready. So in Claude, I'm gonna tell it. Use the Soda MCP to create a dataset attribute called AI ready. Make it a checkbox. And the way I want to define AI ready is a dataset that basically has a contract that hasn't had any failed records or anomalies in the last 30 days. Now I'm gonna send that prompt to Claude and let's see what happens. In the background, it should use the Soda MCP as we're looking, and it should create the attribute. If we go to Soda Cloud right now, we will see that there's no attribute, and in a second, a attribute should pop up here. So Claude just finished creating the attribute and we can now see it here. As we see, it is a checkbox. It can be true or false, and it does have the description that we initially told Claude to create it with. Now we want to apply this attribute on all the datasets that basically comply with this definition. So I'm gonna go to Claude and tell it to look at the ads intelligence data source, set the AI ready attribute to true on the datasets that qualify, and leave the rest unchecked. Also, give me a summary of how many datasets are AI ready and how many aren't. This one might take a couple of minutes depending on how many datasets we have. In this case, I believe that data source has 65. So let's see how many of these 65 datasets are actually AI ready. Okay, it took Claude a couple of minutes, but now we have the results. 18 datasets from the Ads Intelligence data source are confirmed to be AI ready based on our AI readiness definition, and 47 are not. So those 47s, we have to go and check what's happening there. If we go to Soda Cloud, let's see. I would say, based on the definition that we set, this one should be AI ready. So if we navigate to this dataset, check its dataset info, we do see that it has the AI ready flag set as true. Now, one more thing. I want to do this. I don't want this to be a one-time thing, since like data changes. One dataset that today is AI ready might not be AI ready tomorrow, or maybe a dataset that was not AI ready and we went to Soda, figure out what is the stuff that is failing and fixed the root cause of the issues. Then in a week can become AI ready. So I actually want to tell Claude to run this every day. So every morning at 8 a.m., recheck the Ads Intelligence datasets over the last 30 days. Set the attribute AI ready to true on the ones that qualify and false on the ones that no longer do. Let me send this to Claude. And here Claude is gonna make this scheduling happening, and we will have AI ready for all of our datasets, hopefully. Claude just set up the scheduling, so basically every morning at 8 a.m. it will list all the datasets in the Ads Intelligence data source, pull the contract status, check counts and the health status, and reapply the rule that we just set. So if there's a new dataset that is AI ready, it will set up to true. If there was an old dataset that now is not AI ready anymore, it will set it up to false. So that's it, basically how you can use the Soda MCP and Soda to flag your data as AI ready. Thank you.